Hello, my name is Frida and I'm a Capacity Building and Support Officer here at EMDA. This is the third part of the video that we're recording about the AAT. So in this part, I'll be talking to you about the process that you can expect when applying to the AAT. The first part after applying to the AAT is usually an informal conference. This conference is usually scheduled 6 to 10 weeks after you've applied. But in some cases like the NDIS, it can take a little bit longer. A conference is an informal meeting organised by the AAT so all parties can sit down and talk about the issue in detail. An informal conference is used many times as the first stage, and sometimes your issue can be resolved at this stage. The meeting will be conducted by an AAT member or a conference registrar and can be attended by you or your representative, for example a lawyer, a representative of the decision maker, and any other party to the review. This is where you can also bring a support person to come along with you. This can be a family member, your support worker, or even an EMDA advocate. If you do need an interpreter, this is where you need to ask for one. It is the AAT's responsibility to provide you one. At the conference stage, the conference registrar or the member will sit down with all parties to discuss why the decision was made. They will consider new evidence and collect as much information as they can about the matter. The AAT do not make a final decision at this stage. Sometimes at this stage you can come to an agreement with the other party, and if it does, everybody will need to sign a document to say that it's been resolved. If you are unable to come to an agreement at this stage, the conference registrar might hold another conference. If no outcome is met at the end of the conference, then it could be listed for a hearing. The hearing stage is very similar to the conference stage, except this is classified as a little bit more formal. You may feel that you need legal representation, so this is when you would need to contact legal aid or law access. It's important to read any documents provided by the AAT. These are usually called T documents, and also if you have anything new to add, to also give that to the AAT as soon as you can. At the hearing, the member will explain to you what will happen. You will also be asked to take an oath or make an affirmation that you will tell the truth during the hearing. At the hearing, you will have an opportunity to explain why you don't agree with the decision and also bring any new evidence. Some important things to remember are children cannot give oral evidence at the hearing and will not be permitted in the hearing room. If you do not attend the hearing, there's a chance that the AAT might dismiss the application or make a decision without you. In most cases, you will get an oral decision after the hearing or in writing no less than 14 days after the hearing. That's pretty much the whole process for somebody thinking about applying to the AAT. It's also important to remember that as an advocate at EMDA, we can't really talk on your behalf or represent you because it's classified as a legal issue, but we can always be there to support you.